this one. See, check this shit out. It's kind of neat. Going hard. Another participant. So yeah, who knows if I'll even post this. Actually, you know what? Fuck it. I'm gonna just post it. We're gonna just keep going with the flow here. Dialogue, catalog. Hello, world, and welcome to another one. I am very excited for this one because it's a few days after Christmas, and we got ourselves, at the recommendation of my sensei, DucatiNYC, we got some heated gloves, and my freaking glasses are fogging up, so that's why I'm holding these like an idiot. We're gonna give them a shot, I think. Just gonna go for a quick little cruise around, see how this feels. I'm pissed it's dark, but you know, that's how it goes. Oh, that's wild. I already can tell. So it's funny, I was annoyed today. Well, I wanted to go out and ride. I was thinking it'd be cool to go out and ride, but it's not even that cold, man. Like we had some insane cold out of nowhere, single digits. It's like 3 days after Christmas or something like that, and gotta get used to the feeling of these gloves a little bit. I wish that you could see them, get a better look at them and all that stuff, but no worries, there will be more of these. I'm excited for the next couple days because it's going to be warmish, as in not crazy. I was kind of thinking even like these might not even need the heated the heat on, which might be the case for today. It's probably like, honestly, I mean, the sun has now gone down. Ooh, I kind of want to go back that way and check out the lights and stuff. I do feel them though. The tops of my hands do be warm. Sorry it's dark. So yeah, who knows if I'll even post this. Actually, you know what? Fuck it. I'm gonna just post it. I mean, this is my first ride ever with the heated gloves. We're gonna just keep going with the flow here. And dialogue, catalog. I missed the brappies too, you know. I had to get out. I don't know if I've been out since my last vlog even. Yeah, again, like, I wish you could see them. I like that they do actually have, they're not too bulky either, but they go over my jacket cuffs, whatever you want to call them. If there's anything that I would complain about with my my other gloves that are not heated, it's just like they're like that weird in-between length. Look at these folks. They're a house decorating participant. I saw her holding her baby in there. Yeah, the town is doing some house decorating thing. I wonder if maybe I should just drive by and show you guys the winner or the fan favorite. I don't know if they will decide. The judges themselves will decide. But I found out about this yesterday. I went to the dentist, and apparently there actually was a competition. I don't know if a winner has been announced yet, but the fan favorite was selected, voted upon, whatever you want to call it. And it's not too far from here, so plus I love riding around, driving around, and goddamn blinker, looking at the Christmas lights that people do. Some people go hard, some people keep it modest but respectable, others don't do it at all. Ooh, look at this one. See, check this shit out. That's kind of neat. Going hard. Another participant. Hey man, maybe this was a good idea. Maybe I should do this. You know? I'm not a fan of white lights. I like the yellow lights. I'm a yellow light guy. I'm a yellow light man. My hand is cramping up already, and like all I'm doing is just, excuse me, casually. So this house coming up apparently has a little pond next to it, and they have a Santa on a boat. So look at it, dude. You can see it already. Hardcore. Look at that, a little truck. That's neat. Alright, now I think we're gonna get gas. I have no idea how much more time I have in my break. I'm not going to extend my ride in any way other than now to go and get gas. Knock on wood, I'm not worried about frozen ice, not to be confused with unfrozen ice, but I don't think it's dropped enough yet. It was like 42 when I literally was just stepping out the door. And it's gonna be like mid 40s. I might even recall seeing a 51 over the next couple days in the forecast. Oh dude, I love the sound of my bike. I wish that you guys could hear it how I hear it. I know that I can confirm after watching and editing the last couple vlogs since doing the install, it does not sound the same on the microphone. I have some ride-bys on my phone. I wonder if I should share them. Alright, here we go. I already just did a detour because I saw these lights through the trees. They're not that great. Sorry, they're cool. They're high up, but oh, this is a little bit cool. That's what I like, man. Just outline the house, you know, nothing crazy. I respect it. We got a lot of cars there. I don't know if that guy was... You're not even going to probably be able to tell that there was a guy there, but he was walking like this with his hand in front of his face. I really doubt my high beam was bothering him. Severely doubt it. These gloves are nice. I like them. I think I've got them on the highest setting. If I remember, purple was the highest setting. Well, they are not a crazy expensive pair of heated gloves, and that's why I went with them. Of course, wasn't gonna go break the bank. I kind of wanted to just see if I even really liked going out and riding in some of these colder temps. I'm just gonna guess, and I'll test them more, and I'll be clear about what sort of temperatures I'm testing them in. I'm gonna guess like 25 degrees, or even maybe like 32 Fahrenheit, just about freezing. I'm gonna guess that these are not going to be like that incredible. I'm still feeling, or I'm already feeling a light tingle on my left thumb, on the tip of my left thumb, which is like under the bar. There's obviously probably not heat getting there, and these are way more insulated and stuff than anything else that I've got, but or naturally like helping with the cold weather and all that crap, you know. Am I that maniac out on a motorcycle in late December? You betcha. You bet your sweet tuckus. But we just got to get gas. We want to get a full tank so that if it's sitting in the barn, we don't have to worry about having an empty tank in these cold months, you know. Know what I mean? My beat bump beat, my jelly bean. Trying to get up to speed a little bit just because I want to gauge, you know. I mean, I feel it. They're nice. They're heated. They work. I probably would be like done already. A heated vest is the next thing on the list, I would say. If I want to keep doing this, a heated vest would be very cool. Gotta get these off. Oh, let's see if we can show you. You see that? I just think that's so dumb. Like, you see all this gray or all this silver. Got about 20 minutes left. Yeah, that's what I like, because I always, I mean, I'm gonna cover this shit. I might as well cover it, you know? Dude, this guy's like, feels really fucking close. Douche nozzle. I want to thank you guys for watching. I love it. Thank you for subscribing. If you make it this far, especially in the video, appreciate it. Whoa, 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 whoa. That was a bit excessive, sir. Yeah, man, that's the thing, is like I kind of want to always make do with what I record. Like, if I think to record it, it's gonna make a vlog somehow. So thank you. Goodbye. I love ya.